Good morning friends, my name is Pallavi Jaiswal. Today I am going to describe the topic skew lines. Two straight lines are said to be skew if they are not coplanar or non-intersecting and non-parallel lines. Coplanar means they lie in same plane, non-intersecting means they will never intersect, and non-parallel lines. Difference between parallel lines and skew lines. Parallel lines. Two or more lines are parallel when they lie in the same plane and never intersect. In the given figure, you can see that there are two lines which are parallel. The distance between both lines are equal. Skew lines. Two or more lines are skew when they lie in different plane and never intersect. In the given figure, there are two planes and two lines are lying in these two planes which are not parallel. There are infinite number of lines connecting the points on the two skew lines. Out of such lines, we shall be interested in a line which has the shortest line segment between the two lines. Now we shall prove an important result. If a line intersects two skew lines, the intercept will be shortest if the line is perpendicular to both the skew lines. Now we will see how to find the shortest distance using the vector form. Here is a figure in which there are two lines L1 and L2 where PQ is the shortest distance and AB is the line joining the 2 points. To prove this result, let PQ vector be the shortest distance vector between L1 and L2. L1 line is vector R is equals to A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector, which is equation 1. L2 is equals to R vector is equals to A2 vector plus mu B2 vector, which is equation 2. Then PQ vector is perpendicular to both L1 and L2, which are parallel to B1 vector and B2 vector respectively. Therefore, PQ vector is perpendicular to both B1 vector and B2 vector. But B1 cross B2 vector is perpendicular to both B1 vector and B2 vector. Therefore, PQ vector is parallel to B1 vector cross B2 vector. Let n cap be a unit vector along PQ vector. N cap will be plus minus B1 vector cross B2 vector upon mod of B1 vector cross B2 vector, which is equation 3. Then we can write PQ vector is equals to d n cap, where d is the magnitude of the shortest distance vector. Let theta be the angle between AB vector and PQ vector. Then PQ is equals to AB mod of cos theta. Hence, cos theta is equals to PQ vector dot AB vector upon mod of PQ vector AB vector total mod is equals to, substituting the value of PQ, which is dn cap AB A2 vector minus A1 vector and divided by dAB. Hence, cos theta is equals to B1 cross B2 vector dot A2 vector minus A1 vector upon mod of B1 cross B2 vector total mod. From 3 we get hence the shortest distance d is equals to PQ is equals to AB mod of cos theta and d is equals to B1 vector cross B2 vector dot A2 vector minus A1 vector upon mod of B1 vector cross B2 vector total mod. Now we will see how to find the equation of shortest distance using Cartesian form. Here are the two lines. The shortest distance between the two lines is Mn and the line joining point is PQ. Consider a line Mn is perpendicular to two given skew lines AB and CD, meeting them in A and B respectively. Again consider another line PQ meeting the some skew line in P and Q. The length Mn is projection of PQ on line AB. Therefore, if theta be the angle between the Mn and PQ, Then from the figure we have Mn is equals to PQ cos theta, but we know that mod of cos theta is less than equals to 1. Hence Mn is less than equals to PQ. Thus Mn is minimum measure of PQ. Hence Mn is the shortest distance between the given lines. We shall now find the shortest distance between the two lines. The equation of the two lines are given as x minus alpha by L is equals to y minus beta by M is equals to z minus gamma by N. Give it equation 1. X minus alpha dash by L dash is equals to y minus beta dash by M dash is equals to z minus gamma dash by N dash. Give it equation 2. Let alpha mu v be the direction cosines of the shortest distance between the given lines. Since shortened distance is perpendicular to the given lines, we have lambda L plus mu M plus Vn is equals to 0. Give it equation 3. Lambda L dash plus mu M dash plus Vn dash is equals to 0. Give it equation 4. On solving equation 3 and 4, we get lambda by Mn dash minus M dash N is equals to mu upon NL dash minus L dash N is equals to V upon Lm dash minus L dash M. On squaring and taking under root of the theses, we get under root lambda square plus mu square plus v square upon under root summation of Mn dash minus M dash N ka whole square. Since lambda square plus mu square plus v square is equals to 1, we get 1 upon under root summation of Mn dash minus M dash N ka whole square. Give it equation 5. Let P point alpha beta gamma and Q be the point alpha dash beta dash gamma dash on the second line. Since shortest distance is equals to Mn is equals to projection of PQ on Mn, which implies alpha minus alpha dash lambda plus beta minus beta dash mu plus gamma dash v, which can be written as alpha minus alpha dash Mn dash minus Nm dash plus beta minus beta dash in the bracket NL dash minus Ln dash plus gamma dash in the bracket Lm dash minus Ml dash whole divided by under root summation of Mn dash minus M dash N ka whole square. The above equation can be written in the determinant form like alpha minus alpha dash, beta minus beta dash, gamma minus gamma dash. The second row will be Lmn and L dash M dash N dash whole divided by under root summation of Mn dash minus M dash N ka whole square, where summation of Mn dash minus M dash N ka whole square is equals to Mn dash minus M dash N whole square plus NL dash minus Ln dash whole square plus Lm dash minus Ml dash whole square. This is magnitude of shortest distance. Equation of shortest distance. The equation of the plane PHN and QMN are respectively determinant of x minus alpha, y minus beta, z minus gamma, Lmn, lambda mu v, which is equals to 0, and the determinant of x minus alpha dash, y minus beta dash, z minus gamma dash, L dash M dash N dash, lambda mu v, which is equals to 0, and these together represents the line of intersection, which is the shortest distance. Now we will see shortest distance between the lines in non-symmetrical form. We shall find the shortest distance and the equation of its line between the lines ax plus by plus cz plus d is equals to 0 and a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equals to 0. Give it equation 1. Ax plus by plus cz plus d is equals to 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equals to 0. Give it equation 2. The equation of the plane containing the line 1 is a1x plus b1y plus cz plus d plus lambda in the bracket a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equals to 0. Give it equation 3. And the plane containing the line 2 is ax plus by plus cz plus d plus mu in the bracket a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equals to 0. Give it equation 4, where lambda and mu are constants. We choose lambda and mu such that the plane 3 and 4 are parallel. Then the shortest distance between the lines 1 and 2 is the distance between the plane 3 and 4. The equation of the line of shortest distance are given by the plane containing the line 1 and perpendicular to 3 or 4, and the plane containing the line 1 and perpendicular to 3 and 4. These two planes together represent the line of shortest distance. Now we will see an example that how to find the shortest distance between the two skew lines. Find the shortest distance between the line x minus 1 by 2 is equals to y minus 2 by 3 is equals to z minus 3 by 4 and x minus 2 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 4 is equals to z minus 5 by 5. Also find the equation of the line of shortest distance. Solution. The equation of the given plane are x minus 1 by 2 is equals to y minus 2 by 3 is equals to z minus 3 by 4. Give it equation 1. X minus 2 by 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 4 is equals to z minus 5 by 5. Give it equation 2. Let the direction cosines of the line of shortest distance be L, M, N, as we know that the shortest distance is perpendicular to both the lines, so that we have 12 plus 3m plus 4n is equals to 0. Give it equation 3. And 3l plus 4m plus 5n is equals to 0. Give it equation 4. Solving equation 3 and 4 together, we get L by minus 1 is equals to m by 2 is equals to n by minus 1. Squaring and adding the terms, we get plus minus under root L square plus m square plus n square by root 6. Since L square plus m square plus n square is equals to 1, we get 1 by root 6. On equating the values, we get L is equals to minus 1 by root 6, m is equals to 2 by root 6 and n is equals to 1 by root 6. Now the points on the line 1 and 2 are respectively 1, 2, 3 and 2, 4, 5. Hence the shortest distance is 2 minus 1l plus 4 minus 2m plus 5 minus 3n, which is, on substituting the value, we get 1 by root 6. The equation of the plane containing the line 1 and the line of shortest distance is determinant of x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, minus 1, which is equals to 0. Give it equation 5. Again, the equation of the plane containing the line 2 and the line of shortest distance is determinant of x minus 2, y minus 4, z minus 5, 3, 4, 5 and minus 1, 2, minus 1. The determinant will be 0. Give it equation 6. On simplification, the equation 5 and 6 provide 11x plus 2y minus 7z plus 6 is equals to 0 and 7x plus y minus 5z plus 7 is equals to 0. These two planes together represents the equation of the line of shortest distance. Now we will see another example. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Vector r is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda I cap minus j cap plus k cap. R is equals to 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu in the bracket 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Since we know that shortest distance is equals to mod of b1 vector cross b2 vector dot a2 vector minus a1 vector divided by mod of b1 vector cross b2 vector. Here a1 vector is given as I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. b1 vector is given as I cap minus j cap plus k cap. a2 vector is given as 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap. And b2 vector is 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Since a2 vector minus a1 vector is I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap, b1 cross b2 vector is equals to I cap j cap k cap 1 minus 1 1 2 1 2 total mod. The determinant which is equals to minus 3I cap plus 3k cap. Hence the mod of b1 vector cross b2 vector will be under root 9 plus 9, which is under root 18, which can be simplified and written as 3 root 2. Hence this shortest distance is mod of minus 3I cap plus 3k cap into I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap upon 3 root 2 mod. D is equals to mod of minus 3 minus 6 upon 3 root 2. Hence we can get minus 9 upon 3 root 2. The mod and minus sign will result in positive sign and 3 will cancel with 9. Then we get 3 upon root 2, and which can be simplified and written as 3 root 2 by 2 units. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you.